All right, so I'm only going to work through 3 of your homework problems tonight, but there are only 7, so that still only leaves you with 4 to do. Okay, we're going to start with our triangle problems. So remember, you're going to draw your triangle first and label. All right, it says DF, or it says DE is equal to EF, so that means that DE and EF are our congruent sides. And then it proceeds to tell us that DF, so that's this side down here, all right, is 7 inches longer than the length of EF. So we're going to make EF X, and then DF would be X plus 7. Now, since DE and EF are congruent, that would make DE also X. So now we're just going to set this up by adding up all of our X's, setting it equal to our perimeter, and solving. So I'm going to move my 7. So 3x is going to equal 30. And I'm going to divide by 3. So x is going to equal 10. Okay, and you'll see here it asks for all 3 sides. So x is going to be DE, so that's 10. EF is also x, so that's 10. And then DF is x plus 7 or 10 plus 7, which gives me 17. All right, the other type of problem on our triangles that we had, okay, same type, A, B, and C here. Okay, AB is equal to BC. Okay, AB this time, AB is 5 more than the length of AC. So AC is going to be our x. AB is going to be x plus 5. And again, since that is congruent, BC would also be x plus 5. So when we add them all 3 up this time, we get 3x plus 10 equals 22. So we're going to subtract our 10. 3x is going to equal 12. And x is going to equal 4. Okay, but this time x is only AC, so that's going to be our 4. And then we had to do 4 plus 5, which makes AB and BC both 9. Okay, so you need to do 2 and 4. Those are your remaining 2 triangle problems. And then the last type of problem we have is our rectangle problem. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do here is I'm going to draw my rectangle. Okay, the perimeter is 80. The length of the rectangle is 5 less than twice the width. So we're going to make our width x. And then 5 less than, remember, it goes at the back, twice the width. Rectangles have alternate sides that are congruent. So we're going to add all this up. 2x, 4x, 5x, 6x. Negative 5 plus negative 5 is minus 10, and that's going to equal our perimeter, which is 80. Okay, solve from here. So 6x is going to equal 90. And divide by 6. Okay, and x is going to equal 15. All right, so our width down here is 15. So we'll put that here. All right, for our length, it's going to be 2 times 15 minus 5, or 30 minus 5, which is 25. And then we didn't talk about area today in class, but you should know that the formula for the area of a rectangle is length times width. So we're going to do 25 times 15. And I'll work that out by hand over here. And it's going to be 375 is your area. So that's what you will do for number 6 and number 7.